Consider this question. Here they are saying determine the minimal SOP and POS for this following K-maps. Consider first K-map. See, whenever we are finding SOP, that means we are going to take all the one terms, and whenever we are going to find POS, that means SOP is sum of product and POS in product of sum. Whenever we are finding POS, that means we are going to take all the terms which is having zeros. So for the first K-map, if I am trying to find what is the SOP, that means we are going to take all the one terms, and here we will not be able to make a bigger subcube which is having more than one cell. So we have to include all these cells, right? So the first one, this one is denoting A complement B, C complement D, plus this one is denoting A complement B plus C D complement. So A complement B dot C D complement. This one is denoting A B complement C complement D, plus this one is denoting AB complement C D complement. Okay, so from these first two you can take A complement B as common, so it will be A complement B. Inside we can have C complement D plus C D complement, plus from these two you can take AB complement as common, so inside we will be having C complement D plus C D complement. So you can clearly see this is C XOR D, this is also C XOR D. So the equation will become A complement B C XOR D plus AB complement C XOR D. Further you can take C XOR D as common, so inside we will be having A complement B plus AB complement dot C XOR D. This is A XOR B, so it is A complement, so A, this is A XOR B, A XOR B dot C XOR D. This is A XOR B dot C XOR D. Now if you want to find the minimal POS, product of sum. So in case of product of sum, because we are having more number of zeros as compared to the number of ones, so we can make subcubes. In case of POS, this will make a subcube, this will make a subcube, this will make a subcube, as well as this will make a subcube. So we are going to have 4 subcubes, and all these 4 subcubes are essential because this subcube is covering 0, which is not covering it by anything else. This subcube is covering this 0, which is not covered by anything else. This subcube is covering this 0, which is not covered by anything else, and this subcube is covering this 0 and this 0, which is not covered by anything else. So if we should denote this by product of sum, or you can say max term, then this subcube will be denoting this is denoting 0 0, right? So this will be denoting A plus B. Okay, and this subcube will be denoting C complement plus D complement. This subcube, it will be denoting C plus D, and this subcube, it will be denoting A complement plus B complement. Therefore, the POS expression for this K-map will be A plus B dot A complement plus B complement dot C plus D dot C complement plus D complement. You can further solve this one. Okay, now for this expression, for this one you can also try this one. So you will be making, this is a subcube for SOP, this will be a subcube, this will be a subcube, as well as this will be a subcube, right? So the first subcube, this one, this subcube is denoting C complement D complement, this subcube is denoting CD, this subcube is denoting AB, and this subcube is denoting A complement B complement. Therefore we will be having CD plus C complement D complement plus AB plus A complement B complement. So further you can see this is XNOR, so C XNOR D plus A XNOR B. Okay, now if you take this K-map, and here these terms will be 0. If you try to find SOP, so in case of SOP, this will be a subcube, as well as we can also make this subcube, and both of them are essential prime. Here also this was essential prime. Okay, sorry. So this subcube is actually denoting B complement, and this subcube is denoting A complement C complement. So solution will be A complement C complement plus B complement for SOP. And if you try to find POS means we are going to take the terms which are 0. So we are going to make this subcube as well as we are going to make this subcube. So for POS, this subcube is denoting B complement plus C complement dot this subcube is denoting A complement plus B complement. Okay, fine. Sorry. So take this one. In this K-map, we are going to make this subcube as well as we can make this subcube. So this subcube is representing B and this subcube is representing A complement C complement. Therefore, the SOP will be A complement C complement plus B. A complement C complement plus B. If you try to find POS, then these are the 0 terms. So we are going to make this subcube as well as we are going to make this subcube. All these are essential primes. So this will be, if I try to find POS, then in case of POS term, we are going to have C complement plus A complement dot by this subcube we are going to have A complement plus B. A complement plus B. Okay, so let us take these subcubes. If you take this one, then you can make subcubes like this. But still, let me show you how you can make subcube like this. If you take this one, then this one is A B complement C complement plus this one is A complement B complement C. So from both of these two, you can take B complement as common. So it will become A C complement plus A complement C, which is equal to B complement dot A XOR C. In the same way, here you can clearly see we can have A dot A, this one is A dot BC plus this one is A complement B C complement. From these two, you can take B as common. So inside we'll be having AC plus A complement C complement, which is equal to B. This is A XOR C. So the total solution equation for this K-map will become B complement A XOR C plus B A XOR C plus B A XOR C. But you already know what is XOR. XOR is basically the inverse or you can say complement of XOR. So you can also write it as B complement A XOR C plus B A XOR C whole complement. So this, you can see this is B complement B, this is A XOR C plus A XOR C whole complement. So it can also be written as A XOR C XOR B. A XOR C XOR B. So for this kind of K-map can also be noted by A XOR B XOR C. So if you can see this kind of K-map, then this kind of K-map can denote XNOR. So it is A XNOR B XNOR C, which you can find out by practice. Okay, so now let us try to take more questions after this.